Welcome to part 5 of HTML tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to talk about HTML links, or we can say anchor tag. So with the help of HTML links, or we can use anchor tag, we can link link the HTML documents, or we can navigate to the different page. So we have a tag which is called as anchor tag. Inside we have attribute href. Inside that particular attribute href, we can pass a URL or we can link the page. Like let's suppose I have a.html. When I click on this button or a link, I will shift to the another web documents. And we have another attributes target. So inside target we can pass a value. So like we can pass four type of value like underscore self, underscore blank, underscore parent, underscore top. So first we have underscore self as a value. This is a by default. So when you click on anchor tag, so like in the same window or a tab, you will navigate to the another URL or the web page. If you want to open in the new window or new tab, you can go for the underscore blank, or for the parent frame you can go for the underscore parent, or you can open the document in full body of the window by help of underscore top. So let's see how we can implement this part. So this is my VS Code editor. Here I will create a new file index.html, and then we will write HTML basic syntax like idoc type HTML, and then we have a HTML as a element, and then we have a two sections head. Inside head we can pass a title like tutorial for the HTML links. Then we have a body. Inside body we can create a anchor tag. So for creating anchor tag we use a as a tag. We can close this tag, and inside we have a attribute href, so we can link the web page. So first I'll show you how we can link to navigate to different HTML page. So I will create another page b.html, and this is index.html. I will copy the entire code and I will paste it here. So this is a.html. So like click, I will add a u text, click here to navigate. And when I click on this particular the hyperlink, I want to navigate to b.html, and this is b.html. So here we can add some heading like this is a kind of dashboard, and we can add a text like back to home, and here we can add a URL, not a URL. Here we can link the index.html file. So this is how we can link the web page for navigating. So what I'll do, I will save and I will open index.html file. So this is my index.html. When I click on this button, I will redirect to this page. So this is how we can navigate the, the web page with the help of anchor tag. In href, you can also add the URL for navigating. So let's suppose I have a twitter.com. This is a URL. So I can create a href tag. Here we can pass a Twitter and click here to widget Twitter, save, and then reload. So when I click on this button, I will redirect to the Twitter. So this is how we can navigate the web page or this like hosted URL with the domain. And like in the slide, I have mentioned that we have a target attributes. So we have target attributes. So we can pass a target attributes here. So we have another attribute target. Inside we can pass four type of value. First is self, second is blank, third is parent, and fourth is stop. And this is a underscore symbol that we need to use. So self is a by default property, like the value is added. Like when you jump to the URL in the same window, it will navigate it to the next page or next page or next to the link page. Next we have underscore blank. We use underscore blank for open this URL to the new window. So when I click on this button, so it will open the page in the new window or new tab. Same for the Twitter, we can do that. I will reload this page. When I click on this button in a new window, my Twitter is open. Okay, so one more thing, like with the help of ahref tag, you can mail to the user. So what we need to do, like this is my anchor tag here. You just need to use mail to and then colon, and then here you can pass email ID. So let's suppose my email ID is techferment@gmail.com. Click here to mail, and this is how we can mail to the user. So this is my index.html. When I click on this button, it will navigate to the mail applications. So right now in my Windows operating system, I haven't using any mail applications. So this is how you can implement HTML links with the help of anchor tag, where we have href as a attribute. Similarly, we can use target as an attribute, and we can mail to the user with the help of mail to uh, and then column in href attributes. In the next video, I will talk about images, how we can use image in the HTML document. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.